Happy Chinese New Year from a Sheraton hotel in Zhongshan. It's one of the best hotels in Zhongshan. They've done it really beautiful with all the Chinese style and the Chinese orange trees, and it's beautiful. During Chinese holidays, a lot of the big cities, they go back to their hometowns, they go back to the village. So now in Zhongshan, everything's closed. Everything's closed. I want a haircut. Oh, it's in a terrible state, but there's just nowhere to go to do basic amenities. McDonald's was open, which was good. Otherwise, I'd be hungry. Yeah, Zhongshan is a beautiful and quiet place on New Year's Day for Chinese New Year, and I'm very happy to be here because Zhongshan is my hometown. So all the other people have gone and left the goodness for us. The only unfortunate thing that is one of the cultural things is you need to give these red envelopes. So for security guards, service people who are still working, they'll very nice to see you and they want the red envelope. So yeah, you have to go around with a big pad of red envelopes. It's just full of small money, you know, 5 or 10 renminbi, so £1 or £2 or $1 or $2. But it's just a cultural thing which we have to accept and embrace. Chinese New Year, Happy New Year from Zhongshan, and we are looking for a happy and prosperous New Year this year. Many things happening with Zhongshan. I myself are heading off to London and Peru to look at the South American market and see what development is going on in Peru and what things we can bring from Zhongshan to Peru and vice versa. So we'll see what business is happening this year in different countries. But I'm very happy to be here in Zhongshan right at the start of the year and be fortunate enough to have such a beautiful environment. Sheraton Hotel. So Happy New Year, and watch this space in the future. We will be doing more videos like this, more active things, more people on board, more platforms happening, more exciting things happening. So take it easy. Contact me if you want to know more information.